Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Lakescape, which is located in Sri Lingampalli, Hyderabad, a project developed by Kendior developers and builders. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the main location of the project, and this is the main road, and here's the land parcel where the construction work is in progress, and right behind me is the marketing office of the project. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is spread across 9.11 acres of land parcel, consisting of 7 towers in all, each tower of 4 basement, ground plus 47 floors, having exclusive 2 BHK, 2.5, 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located on road number 4 in Sri Lingampalli, Hyderabad. And let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the road number 4, which will take you towards Gachibowli, and the opposite side will connect you towards Chandanagar. Sharad City Capital Mall is 10 minutes away from the project. Lingampalli railway station is again 10 minutes away. Gachibowli ORR is 20 minutes away, and Hyderabad Central University is just 5 minutes away from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like of let me show you in this miniature. So here's a grand clubhouse of 1 lakh square feet starting from ground to 11 floors, having swimming pool with toddlers pool, kids play area, garden area. Additionally, you can check out here's a skating ring, half basketball court, cricket net and many more. Now let's discuss the super built up area. As mentioned, this project provides you 2.5, 3 and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK starting from 1296 to 1340 square feet. 2.5 BHK is 1572 to 1644 square feet. 3 BHK is 1909 to 2306 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 2390 to 2416 square feet. Now coming to the booking process, and the project booking window is currently open now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Lakescape, which is located in Sri Lingampalli, Hyderabad, the project developed by Kendior developers and builders.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.